What if I told you that your next viral YouTube video could be created entirely using AI? That's right, no camera, no fancy mic, no editing headaches, just smart tools and a smart process. Most creators spend hours, sometimes even days, working on a single video. But with the power of AI, that grind is quickly becoming a thing of the past. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create a viral YouTube video from scratch using only AI tools. From idea to script, from voiceover to thumbnail, all automated. Now let's get into how to create the actual video. Before you can go viral, you need an idea that people actually want to click on. That's where AI comes in. First, head over tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to find what's already getting views. Look at videos that are blowing up but made by smaller channels. This tells you the topic has viral potential without insane competition. Now, to make your topic stand out, open up ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Give me 10 viral video ideas based on the topic. Add emotional or curiosity-based hooks. I have chosen the main keywords, which is AI in everyday life. You'll get all the titles ideas you can use. Look for ideas that spark curiosity or solve a pain point. That's your starting point. Now let's move on to the next key part of our framework, writing your video script. A compelling script is the backbone of any successful video. It holds your audience's attention, improves watch time, and plays a major role in boosting your channel's growth. But let's face it, writing a solid script from scratch can be challenging. If you're doing it manually, it might take hours, sometimes even days, to get it right. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT come in. To get a well-written script, you need to feed the AI a clear, detailed prompt. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. Here's a breakdown of what your prompt should include: your video niche, your video title, the tone or style you want, script length, target audience, and relevant keywords. Once you've crafted your prompt, hit generate, and ChatGPT will give you a full script that typically includes a hook, introduction, main content, and a call to action. But don't just copy and paste the script blindly. Always take the time to review and refine it. Even though AI speeds things up, human input is still essential. You should check for factual accuracy, make sure the tone fits your brand, and read it out loud to ensure it flows naturally. These small tweaks can make a big difference in making your content feel authentic and engaging. Creating a script like this manually used to take a lot of time. Now, with the right prompt and a few minutes of editing, you can go from idea to ready to record content in record time. Mastering AI tools like ChatGPT is a game changer for YouTube automation. It saves you hours of effort and allows you to focus on what matters: growing your channel and producing more high-quality content. Now that your script is ready, it's time to move on to the next step, turning it into a professional voiceover. Not too long ago, creating voiceovers used to be a slow and expensive process. You had to hire a voice actor, send them your script, wait several days for the recording, and pay a hefty fee. But that's no longer necessary. Thanks to AI, AI-generated voices have advanced to the point where they sound just like real people. And the best part? You can now create studio-quality voiceovers in seconds, and even get started for free. One of the best platforms out there is ElevenLabs. It gives you access to thousands of ultra-realistic voices, and it's surprisingly affordable. In fact, when you sign up, you get 10,000 characters free to generate voiceovers. No credit card required. To begin, just go to ElevenLabs' website and create your free account. When selecting a voice, you've got two great options. First, you can use one of the standard AI-generated voices. They're easy to use and sound great. Or go with a professional voice for a more natural, lifelike tone. ElevenLabs has a massive voice library. To find the best fit for your videos, here's what to do. Go to the Voices tab and enter the library. Set the language, then choose your preferred accent, such as American or British. Click the filter icon and select Professional under the category. These voices are modeled after real actors and sound incredibly authentic. You can also narrow it down by choosing the gender and age that match the tone you want. Preview as many voices as you like until you find one that suits your content. Once you've made your choice, it's time to generate the voiceover. Paste your script into the editor, hit Generate Speech, and wait a few seconds. Listen to the result. If it doesn't sound quite right, Tweak the settings and try again. Once you're happy with it, click download and your voiceover is ready to use. Let's move on to the visuals, because this is where your video starts coming to life. If you want a fast and beginner-friendly option, InVideo is one of the best AI tools out there. Here's how to use it. Go to invideo.io, create a free account, and choose AI text to video. Paste your script into the editor. You can also choose a template. InVideo offers dozens of high-quality styles, from cinematic to modern minimalist. The AI will automatically match your script to stock footage and create scene-by-scene visuals. Once the scenes are generated, you can also customize it. You can easily swap out visuals, change fonts, add transitions, or drop in your own media. Also, don't forget to add pattern interrupts, zoom-ins, text pop-ups, and sound effects to keep the viewer engaged visually. You can also generate custom animations or scenes using Runway ML, great if you're going for a more cinematic or surreal style. Finally, export the video in HD, and you're done. Here is the final result.
What if I told you that artificial intelligence is already changing how we work? Not tomorrow, but right now. From automating boring tasks to boosting your productivity in ways you never imagined, these 5 AI tools are not just cool, they're reshaping the future of work. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech expert to use them. In this video, we'll explore how AI is powering a new era of smarter work.
It's fast, professional, and perfect if you don't want to spend hours editing. Now it's your turn to take action. The real gap between those succeeding with YouTube automation and those still watching from the sidelines isn't knowledge, it's execution. Start putting what you've learned into practice today, and you'll be that much closer to building a thriving, automated YouTube channel. If you found this video valuable, tap the like button, subscribe for more content on YouTube growth and automation, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.